Okay, for those of you who are not here, we've been doing a review. The first problem we did was this one right here, where we um, had to name all, for these two parabolas right here, you had to name the vertex, the max, whether it's max or min, name the zeros, and write the equation for the axis symmetry. And also we put it in vertex form, each one of them. So if you want to pause it on that, you can pause it and look at it. Okay, and then we're doing these problems right now. We're spinning to see who gets to answer the questions. Okay, we're spinning for the first one. It's going to be someone in the red. Hold purple. It's going to be Chance again, I can tell. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, looking like it's going to be Chance. I think this thing likes Chance. Go ahead. The spinner likes you, Chance. What do you guys think? Is he right? Yeah, he just distributed. Times the x by x, got x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Good job. Okay, we're spinning for the next one. Who wants to bet it's going to be Chance? Or Faith. It could be Faith. She's only been chosen twice. It's going to be Chance again. Look. Look. Oh, Caden Fitzgerald. You are the man, Caden. Get up there. Okay, here goes Caden. He's going to multiply x times x. Then he's going to times x times 7. You just put x squared plus 7x, Caden. Erase it and write it so we can see it. That looks like Chinese. And then you're going to times the negative. What was that number you erased? Was it a negative 3? Negative 3 times 7. Negative 21. Combine like terms. You guys can write out to the right side, by the way. Right out to the right side, Caden, so we can see it. It's not in the way of the next one. X squared plus 4x minus 21. What do you guys think? Is he right? Okay, we're spinning the next one. Good job, Caden. Oh, I think this one's going to be... Oh, oh. It's going to be Hope. It's going to be Hope. Hope. Okay. Hope's going to multiply these together. Okay, when you were showing the work, you missed something in there. There is a if you there's a negative 20x and a positive 20x, and they add up to 0, and that's why you get the 16x squared minus 25. But that's the correct answer. Do you see what I'm saying? You should have had a 4x times a negative 5 and a 5 times a 4x. Should have negative 20x plus 20x (16x squared), because 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times negative 5 is negative 20x, right? And a plus 20x. Don't forget your x's by your 20s. Okay, and then the negative 20x and the positive 20x add up to 0. Good. Now, last one, x plus 3 squared. Here we go. Who wants to go on this one? It's gonna be Justin. Okay, Justin, you're up. Okay. So notice, you guys, Justin noticed that x plus 3 squared means x plus 3 times x plus 3. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, x squared plus 6x plus 9. He's got it. Okay, good job. Okay, next one, you guys. I'm going to give you a few minutes on this one. This one right here, you're supposed to graph the following equations and state the vertex. Do not use your calculator. So just looking at it, this is in vertex form, knowing what the vertical stretch is, you should be able to graph it. Okay? I'll give you a few minutes to do it before we expand. Okay, well, you got to graph the whole equation. So I'd start with the vertex. That's what I'd start. Don't do that, guys. That's not the vertex. Did you check with everybody at your table? Yeah, that's just negative 4, 0. There you go. Okay, which way does it open? Why does it open down? Okay, there's a negative. What's some more points on this thing? Hey, everybody watch this. Yeah, why'd you go over 1 and down 1? Right 1, down 1, left 1, down 1. Now go over 2 and down 4. 4. No, 4. Can you count to 4, Carrie? Carrie, start the vertex, go over 2, 1, 2, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same thing the other way. Hey, don't show your mom the video of this. I don't want to have her hear me making fun of you, okay? Yeah, you went over 3 and down 4. It's a little lopsided. Okay. Carrie, you got to draw it now. Justin, go help her finish. She's a little embarrassed right now. Okay. Draw it. Draw the whole thing. Draw the parabola. Okay. Good job. Okay. Who's got the next one? Here we go. No, I got to keep people on their toes. Okay. Cameron Hershey, you are the next contestant on Spin My Wheel. Okay, Cameron Hershey. Is that the vertex? You guys all agree? All right, go ahead. That's okay. Now 2 more points on either side. Okay, draw it in there. Okay, you guys, so it went 2 to the right and 4 down is the vertex. And the vertical stretch was 1, so it just went over 1 and up 1, right? Good. Good job. Okay. All right. Hey, you guys, you got to fill in the number that completes a square. Then write it in factored form. Okay? I'll give you a few minutes on this one before we spin. We're spinning. Is it going to be Anne-Marie? Or is it going to be Cameron? I think it's going to be Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie. Okay, get up there, Anne-Marie. First one, really quickly. What number goes in there? Okay. Okay. We'll talk about it when you get up there. Okay, is she right? You guys back up so everybody can see. Yeah. How did you get that, you guys? Remember that, Marie? Half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. You take half of that number by the x and square it. What is that factor to be? Okay, yeah. Now what is a factor to be? 5 squared. What is a factor to be? Wait, Anne-Marie. What? Whoops. Anne-Marie, what number can you times by itself and get 25, add together and get 10? So the 2 factors are going to be 5 and 5. Okay, you guys, x plus 5 times x plus 5. The short way to write it is like she wrote it, x plus 5 squared. Okay, good job. Okay, spinning for the next one. I think it's going to be Anne-Marie or Cameron Wolfslager. All right, Justin. Explain how you do it. Hey, you guys listen to him. So 49, x squared minus 14x plus 49. That number is always going to be positive because you're going to square it, right? Okay, what is it that factored? Why is it x minus 7, not x plus 7, you guys? Yeah, because negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49, but negative 7 plus negative 7 is a negative 14. Now, this middle one is a little bit more difficult. I want to see who can get it. Oh, he's not here. We're going to have to spin again. That was kind of weird. Didn't it change directions? Okay. Brandon Swires, go for it. You know what? I'm still feeling kind of queasy over here. Is it because I'm watching this thing spin? Seriously. All right, what do you guys think? Is Cameron right? Yeah, hey, you guys, all you have to do is take the square root of 81 and double it. Square root of 81 is 9. 9 doubled is 18. Okay? And then this factors be x minus 9 squared because 9 times 9 is 81. Negative 9 plus negative 9 is negative 18. Okay, hey, you guys, who thinks they know how to do this last one? Oh, really? Okay. I'm going to spin. How many times have you got up there today? Okay, go for it. You and Chance. You guys are the top ones. 3 times each. My guess, the next one is going to be, I'm thinking it's going to be Michaela or Spencer. I'm going to take 2. Michaela or Spencer. Yeah. All right. Actually, that's not right. What's the square root of 4? You got to do the left side as well. That's why. So the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 25 is 5. You times them together and double them. No, you times them together and double them, right? Yep. There's not going to be a 4 out in front like that. It's going to be 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. Because you take the square root of 4x squared is 2x. Square root of 25 is 5. I'm kind of helping you out with this one, you guys, because this one's a little bit different. There's one like this on the test, though. It's a challenge problem. It's really not that hard, you guys. If you take the square root of 4x squared and get 2x, the square root of 25 and get 5, you times 2x times 5, you get 10x, and you double that, and you get 20x for the middle term. And the square root numbers, 2x and 5, are the ones you're going to get that with. Okay, here we go. Next one. Write an example of a quadratic that is the difference of two squares. Write it in both standard form and factored form. I'd be looking in your notes. I'll give you a second. Okay, Cole is going up there. Okay, go. Hurry back. Okay, good job. Hey, you guys, everybody listen, please, and look up at the board. A difference of two squares means you have two perfect squares with a minus sign between them. Then when they factor almost the same, except for one has a plus and one has a minus. So the square root of 81 is 9. Square root of x squared is x. So it factors to be x minus 9 and x times x plus 9. Okay, really quickly, I want someone else to run up there and write theirs down if it's different. Go. Who? Okay. Justin, right after he's done, you're going to write a different one down. Quickly, quickly, come on. Do a different one. Hey, 25 is a perfect square. Do that one, Justin. Okay, we got lots of perfect squares, you guys. There's more than two. Okay, so x squared minus 4 factor would be x minus 2x plus 2. 9x squared minus, oh, I like this one. He has a perfect square on both ends, right? Other than a coefficient of 1. So this one factors to be 3x minus 5, 3x plus 5. You guys get the idea of a difference of two squares? Any questions on that? Okay, the second one is a perfect square trinomial. Let's see who's got this one. Perfect square trinomial. That would be John. John, get some help from one of these guys. Get some help. Brandon, help him out. Brandon, give me your notebook. You guys get which one's the perfect square trinomial? The 16x squared plus 40x plus 25. Also the x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, next problem. Write these in factored form if possible. Explain why some will not factor. I want you guys to start. Write this one in factored form. Go ahead. I'm going to give you 30 seconds, then we're going to spin. Who is it going to be? Spin the wheel. Oh, John, this thing's picking on you now, buddy. John, you are the man. So x plus 5 times x plus 7.